Okay, so this may not go over very well, but I'm gonna put it out there anyways. All right, so um, ain't no better way than to just come out and say it. Look, um, I put together videos to share with people that have interest in, places to travel or information, and many people get different things out of these videos. Some people get no input, and it has no value to them, and I understand that too. So I know that when I put out these videos, it may be of no interest to some people. And I have to understand that, and I'm fine with that, because I mean that's just the nature of the trying to operate in the general public, and then you're going to find that some people are going to just comment because they can, or they're going to troll you, for whatever reason, and that's fine. So for some people that may not have um, an understanding, or sometimes just trying to be honest, um, you should at least try to consider what you're saying and how you're saying it in some aspects. And you know, most of us that make videos or try to please the general public, we have pretty thick skin, you know, and uh, we understand that there are going to be people that are going to say things or try to um, be negative, and you try to look beyond that and focus on the people that truly enjoy your content, or encourage you for more content, sometimes specific things that they want or have interest in. So you try to accommodate those people. I guess this message that I'm trying to put out here is for my fellow creators. Don't get caught up in any back and forth with negative comments. You know, in most cases, the way I try to handle it is I thank them for commenting and even just watching the video. Obviously, they've watched it if they have a comment. And even sometimes when it's a negative comment, they've at least consumed your content. So I thank them for that. In some cases, when they do put things in there that they're being truthful about, and it might be harsh, um, you have to also say, okay, maybe I can incorporate that into what my content is, and try to, you know, adjust if necessary. However, that's 100% up to you, the creator. We are creating content for a population of people that follow us. So the goal is to create content that most, if not all, of your followers or supporters are going to be pleased with, and will come back to consume more of your content. So, be patient from that standpoint, but don't get caught up in the negative back and forth. Sometimes we get hooked by things that we necessarily shouldn't get hooked by, but we're human. We're human, and that's just sometimes human nature. So, anyways, I want to just encourage more positive, and be mindful that the negative back and forth could hurt your channel, and it could, turn other people away that are not really paying attention to that. But when you give that negative comment more exposure than it should get, that could not be good. in some cases, it could help to create more of a conversation. But what I found is most of the time when someone is being negative, they're not looking for a conversation. They're either trying to get exposure of some sort. In some cases, people click on their comment and go to their channel and look at whatever. And depending on the amount of followers that you have, that could be a positive thing for them. So, I'm all about sharing in the community and being positive, but I also, I'm human, so I tend to look at these things and want to respond to them, and that is not always good for several reasons. But if you're going to comment back to some of these negative things, then you're going to maintain a positive viewpoint, and that's okay. But understand that even with that positive response, sometimes that's not what people are looking for, especially the person that might have posted. They've already got maybe an agenda, and no matter how positive you may be, you're still going to get that negative response. And so just be mindful of these things. And I'm hoping that you folks that are watching enjoy my content, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Even the negative comments, in some cases, I do appreciate that. And like I said, you've taken the time to view the content, and you've taken the time to make a comment. So I am grateful for that. And thank you for that, positive or negative. But there's a but. My standpoint is this: if you have 2 videos that you've posted, or 3 videos that you've posted, and you're trolling other people's channel and posting negative things, I don't think that helps you grow your channel. That's my opinion. I may have no idea what I'm talking about because I've never approached growing my channel from that standpoint. If it works for you, well, it's you're going to get the type of viewers that you might be looking for. But I don't know. You guys leave me a comment about what you think if my rant here is about, and see if we can figure out what's going on there. I just don't understand it. I have never gone to someone's channel and posted a negative comment for any reason. That's just not me. And I'm pretty honest and pretty upfront. And there's a lot of times I see things that are just total bullshit. That if you can't be positive, I learned a long time ago. This is what my mama used to tell me: if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Obviously, that don't work for everybody. But there's a lot of great content. My terminology to YouTube is it's a university of knowledge. YouTube has so much information, so much great content creators, and I am appreciative to have this platform. It has created a vehicle for many that don't have any other way of putting the word or getting the word out there, being heard by masses. And this has created an avenue to do that. There's some really great content creators, and there's some ones that are still learning, like myself, and trying to grow a channel to be of value. Again, the understanding is not everybody is going to get what you're posting. Not everybody's going to enjoy it. Not everybody's going to consume it and walk away saying, wow, that was great. You know, even sometimes your hardcore followers are going to be like, that was okay. It could be better. And that's what it's all about. Always striving to be better. And I hope that I wasn't negative in this commentary that I'm sharing with you guys. I want to be encouraging, but also want to be realistic. So, keep doing what you're doing. And, the goal is to grow, the goal is to learn, and the goal is to interact and get interactions from others. So, if you're getting comments, that's a good thing. How you deal with those comments is the challenge. So, again, comment and let me know what you think. Hey, this is Glen from Travel with Glen, and let's enjoy what we do and where we go, the places we see, and then we'll share it with others in our own unique ways. We're all different, and we all have our own viewpoint on certain things. And I think that's what makes this so much fun, is because you get to put your own spin on your interpretation of this wonderful world we live in. Until the next time, keep traveling, and I hope you have a wonderful day.